So this is January the
New Year,
15th, 2014, and this is my English class A.
Yes.
These are my third grade students. This is
Timothy.
Timothy
And this is
and
Amira.
Amira and
Atala.
And what I'm doing today is I'm going to make sure I review with my third graders everything we went over on Monday on alphabetical order, so that they can go home and watch this video, and the parents, and you can watch it with them, review what they know, what they don't know, what they need to know, and you can see exactly how your precious little ones are coming along in class. Okay, so we're going to talk about alphabetical order. Can somebody tell me what alphabetical order is?
It's the alphabet with letters that can help you to spell things.
It helps you spell things. What else?
Well, it can help you know know how to say the word and know which word comes first. It can help you understand the alphabet.
It helps you understand the alphabet. All of that is true, but also, how do you place things in alphabetical order? What comes after A?
C.
What comes after B?
C.
What comes after C?
D.
After D?
E.
After E?
F.
After F?
G.
After G?
H.
After H?
I.
After I?
J.
After J?
K.
After K?
L.
After L?
M.
After M? After N?
O.
After O?
P.
After P?
Q.
After Q?
R.
After R?
S.
After S?
T.
After T?
U.
After U?
V.
After V?
W.
After W?
X.
After X?
Y.
After Y?
Z.
Z. Now we all know that you know your ABCs because you should have learned it in when?
Kindergarten.
But it's not as easy to say the ABCs as it is to sing the ABCs. Am I right? It's easy to sing the ABCs. What game do we play on Monday?
We play going on a picnic.
I'm going on a picnic. What was the hardest part if I'm going on a picnic?
You gotta remember every single thing that you said, and it was like going all the way to Z, and it took a long time to remember.
And you had to say everything in what order?
In ABC.
Alphabetical order. What was the hardest thing for you for that game?
The hardest thing for me is to remember what everybody else said.
To remember what everybody else said.
And to keep
Exactly.
going and remember.
Yeah. Then all of a sudden the ABCs get hard, right? You're like, okay, I'm going on a picnic and I'm bringing an apple, banana, carrot. So you have to remember it like that. So let's try not to sing the alphabet. Let's try to talk the alphabet together. I'm going to listen and you're going to talk the alphabet. Talk the alphabet for me.
A, B, C, D.
You're singing.
A.
There you go. That's how you talk it.
A, B, C, D.
Go together. Ready and wait. Go together and go.
A, B, C, D, E.
Don't say it. Say it.
P, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Z. Isn't that, you don't have to do a lot of thinking with that. You see how when you're singing A, B, C, D, it's really easy because you're in the song. When we start talking, in what cases or why would you even have to ever use alphabetical order?
Because if somebody gives you a problem with alphabetical order, you're gonna have to find out which one comes first.
That's right.
And it can help you say your ABC from first to second.
What about as far as organization? When you go to the doctor's office and they say, well, what's your name, sweetie? And you say Amira. Right? You say Amira Graves. The first thing they do with the names, do they look at the first letter of the first name or the first of the last name when you alphabetize names?
The first letter of the first name.
The last name. When you alphabetize names, you do it by last name first.
Oh, yeah, because it's grade.
Yeah. So in doctor's office, they use alphabetical order to keep all your charts in order. Okay? They use alphabetical order in where else? What about grocery stores? Yeah, I would think so. Yeah, they want to know what kind of inventory to order. If they need to order some more crackers or bananas, and they keep that in order. What else? Where else did you use alphabetical order? We're in it right now. School. I have all of you in my lesson in my grade book in alphabetical order. Yeah. Who do you think comes first in my grade book?
Amira.
Why Amira?
Because if A, both of their names start with the A, so you gotta go to the second letter, and M becomes before T.
That's a very good reason. Now, what if I'm alphabetizing by last names only? Who will come first?
Me.
Why?
Because T is.
What's your last name?
Me. Strickland.
Okay, so if I'm
Papa will come first.
Why?
Because her J comes before.
Because the J comes before what? What
No, I will come first.
You will come first. Graves and then Jones and then Strickland. So let me ask you this: what don't you understand about alphabetical order? Tell me. Do you know how to alphabetize for the first letter only?
No, we know how to alphabetalize to the last letter.
The last letter. Okay, let's do this. These are some words that I have.
Like all the way to D on frame. Yeah.
Where's my mark?
Is it behind the computer again?
Okay, so let's say this. Okay, let's say on the test, I have on your test, alphabetize or put these words in alphabetical order, which will be on your test, okay?
Oh, cool, easy.
Alright, now, I'm going to give you 10 words to put in alphabetical order. So, this is what I'm going to do. Close your eyes, don't look right now. You'll be trying to do while I'm doing this. Alright.
Can you open them?
Open your eyes. Okay, don't say anything. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Just look at the board. In your mind, start to try to put all those words, all 10 of those words, in alphabetical order in your mind. In your mind and your feet. And let me know when you're ready to give it a good try.
I'm ready.
You all ready?
Yes.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright then. Alright. Oh, you've been just scrambled up, aren't they? Yeah, they are. So, what would be the first word in this alphabetical order?
Animal.
Animal. I'm just going to write it down first and then we'll go over. Atala, what's the second word? Ant. Amira, third word.
Bear.
Bear. Timothy, fourth word. B. Atala, fifth word. Cheetah. Don't say anything now. No one says anything. After cheetah. Cat. No one says anything. No one say anything. 7, Timothy.
7. Okay, cat.
If you see something wrong, don't say it. Just go after, you know.
Oh. Deer.
Deer. Atala. Word number 8.
Skunk.
Skunk. Amir, 9.
Snake.
Nay. And Timothy, 10.
10.
Huh?
10. I said 10.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Hmm?
No.
What do you see log is?
Wait.
You mean dog?
Yeah.
Dog, y'all skip dog? Okay. Alright, is this the alphabetical order right?
No.
What's wrong? Let's go from the top. First of all, it should this be in the place, right? Is this in the right place?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it has A.
Mm-hmm.
It has I.
But hold on, but ant has an A too.
So you go to the next one.
Okay, well, okay, so you go to the end.
Yeah.
But ant has an N too.
Then you go to the third
Oh, so you go to the third one. Then what do we see?
I
versus T. I like when you put the I versus T. Very good. Now who wins with I versus T?
I.
I wins. Why? Because I is bigger and better and it's older and it comes what?
First.
It comes first. So it's here. So all of a sudden you're right. And I know it's the first word. Very good. What's the next word?
And.
And. How in the world did N get for that big old bear?
Because A comes before B.
Because A comes before B. That's right. Bear. Now, why in the world? But bear and B have the same 2 letters. So how did you do that?
Because okay,
but they both have a B and an E. So where am I going now?
To
The third letter, and then A versus E. Which one gonna win? A versus E.
A.
A wins. So B comes next, correct? So what comes after B? We're gonna look at the what now?
Cheetah.
The C's, right? We don't have it right.
Ooh.
What comes? So cheetah. So what comes number 5?
Cat comes.
Cat. Y'all see why it's cat rather than cheetah?
Yeah.
Tell her why it's cat rather than cheetah.
Because cheetah has an H.
Because cheetah has an H and cat has a
A.
A. So you caught it, right?
Who
You got that?
Who said
Yeah.
cheetah?
Good. What about deer? What comes with a cheetah?
Well, the D comes before skunk.
The D comes before skunk.
Because D comes before S.
That's right. And so the next word would be
Deer.
deer. What comes with the deer though?
Dog.
Why? How in the world we get the D after the S?
Snake.
Because we weren't doing what? We weren't really looking words. What about skunk and snake?
Skunk. Skunk.
Why? But it has a U and an A there.
Wait. Snake. Yeah. Because it has an A. Isn't dog supposed
Wait a minute. Don't let me confuse you.
Isn't dog supposed to be before skunk?
Don't let me confuse you.
Dog supposed to be before
dog is before skunk. I'm sorry. Yes, before there. Okay, so I mean, is that right? Is it? Because I'm looking at the U and the A.
I'm going on 9.
Wait a minute. Y'all can't let me confuse you now. If I come and tell you, hey, that has a U and an A there, what you gonna say?
May comes first then.
You are?
Yes.
No, if I came and tell you a U comes before an A, you're gonna come back and tell me, wait a minute, look at the second letter.
Oh, the K comes
Yes.
before the
You can't let me confuse you.
Oh,
Alright, so what's the correct order?
Animal, ant, bear, bee, cat, cheetah, deer, dog, skunk, snake.
Very good. Anything that you don't understand about that?
No,
No, well let me ask you this. Don't move. Stay right there. I'm going to give you a work back from yesterday, okay? Okay? Hold on.
The C went out.
It's not off. It just goes to screen paper mode. No, it's not off.
Yeah. It's still on. So, can you guys see me? Oh, come on, right here. Get me in the screen. Get me in the screen. Get at the screen. Don't be so silly. This dumb.
Okay, so let's do this. Timothy, I don't think you did this. You're going to do this for homework over the weekend, okay? But you can look on with a mirror. Tell me this, my children. How in the world did y'all get all those wrong?
Well, me and the mirror was working together.
That's why. And y'all just doing the same thing, huh? Look at that. I want you to tell me how you got that wrong. Look at number 3. Timothy, how did you get number 3 wrong?
Good question.
Good question. You told it was Bill? Or you should have said Bill. Why is it not Bug?
Because the I goes before the U.
Not necessarily. I'm supposed to those 2 words that's outside of it. It says what word can come between big and black? Bug cannot come between big and black. Why?
Big. I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
Because the G.
Why can't bug come between big and black? Look at it. Tell me why. If I wrote up here.
Oh, because it's like the third letter that's like in alphabetical order.
Big, bug, and black. Is that in alphabetical order?
No.
No, why?
Because I comes before you.
No. Don't think about I right now. Why can't bug go between big and black?
Because A comes before the E comes. Wait. The A comes before both like comes before.
Y'all looking at the wrong thing. Look at. Hey, we all have what are these? All these words have in common in first letter.
B.
So all have B. Okay, right? Correct.
Yeah.
Now you told me a few minutes ago that if all the first letters are the same, what letter did you look at?
The second one.
Very good, sweetie. I didn't hear anybody else say it though.
Second one.
The second one. So I'm looking at the second one. Does U come after E?
Yeah.
Of course it does. But does U come before L?
No. So
it can't be bug. So what word does it have to be?
black.
Bib. Correct? Look at your sheet. Bib. Honey, how did it? Let's look at this. Does I come after E?
Yes.
And does I come before L?
Yes.
Yes. So tell me how you got number 4 wrong then, Mirror. Explain that to me.
Because I didn't look at the second one.
Oh, so does R come before E? Does R come after E?
Yes.
Yeah, but does R come before I? No. So what does come before I?
A.
There we go. Timothy. Look at number, what's the next number? 6. Does I come after L? No. So what word does it have to be right from the get-go? God. Number 7. Does I?
We skip 5.
I know y'all had that one right. Oh yeah, y'all had that one right. With number 7, does U come after I?
Yes.
But does U come before R?
No.
So what word does it have to be?
No.
Doll. Number 10. Does R come after A?
No.
But does R come before O?
Yes.
R comes before O?
No.
No, so what word does it have to be?
Yes.
Do you understand what you did wrong?
Yes.
When you have to do this weekend, can you understand what's going on?
Yes.
Well, tell me what words go between, let me see this for you. Akala, what word would go between, I had the word tip, and I have a blank and try. Okay? And I have a choice between the or toy. Can you read my writing? You can? That's tip and that's try. There's a big old space between, okay? Okay. Which word do you think would go in that blank? Seed or toy? Which word do you think would go in that blank? Seed or toy?
Toy.
Toy, why toy?
Because the I go after O.
Before the O? And
O comes after
comes before the R. So toy goes here, correct? Very good. So you'll be able to do this weekend?
Yeah.
Very good. I'm sorry. You are married. All right. Well, any questions about alphabetical order? None whatsoever.
What are we doing our other one?
You want your other grade? I'll give you other grades. Actually, that's your whole grade for everything.
Okay.
So I'll give you a grade back and your paper back in just a second, okay? When I give you tomorrow on your test, tomorrow evening, if I give you 20 words to put in the alphabetical order, can you do it?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do 10 words in alphabetical order?
Yes.
Can you do 50 words in alphabetical order?
No.
You just take more time, but you can do it, right?
Yes.
Do you understand how to alphabetize by the third letter?
Yes.
Of course you do. Any questions?
No.
None whatsoever?
Nope.
If I give you 2 words and then a choice to choose between 2 other words, did you put in the right blank?
Yes.
You can?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
No questions. If I give you a test today, you'll make an A.
Yes.
100 A plus.
Yes.
Is that correct? All right. All right. Everybody wave bye to the camera.
Bye.
Bye. All right. Good deal.